Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to earn rewards points with SoFi Credit Card. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the SoFi application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to SoFi if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and earn rewards points with SoFi Credit Card. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is, of course, let's check what we have in front of us here. So here we have the Discover, we have the Watch List, we have the Account, Invest, Orders, and the Social in the bottom right corner. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and earn rewards points with SoFi Credit Card. So earn 2 SoFi rewards points for every dollar you spend on eligible purchases. Earn 3% cashback in the form of rewards points when you use your card for SoFi travel purchases. If you become a SoFi Plus member, you can earn 2 times rewards points on qualifying activities. Additionally, you can earn points by making smart money moves such as paying bills, monitoring your credit, and more. These points can be redeemed for various benefits, including cashback, statement credits, and even investments through the SoFi Activity Invest. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.